Today is the kickoff for year 2 as we convene the Literacy PLC work, where we have a team from each of our 12 elementaries coming together, and this year our focus is on putting together the systems that are needed to sustain meaningful, powerful, and effective literacy instruction at the schools. We have all 12 of our elementary schools here, and we have a full team from each of those elementary schools, including teachers representing all of the different grade bands as well as administrators. Then we have our district level TOSAs that are focused on literacy practices, and it's just a really powerful event. We'll come together multiple times this year to really dig deeply into our practice and improve our instruction and outcomes for students.
We get to learn together the big picture of reading instruction, working together as teams, and our district priorities. And we can take that back to our teams in our buildings and our work individually with our students.
We're really still working on the structures, what teams need to happen, what does core instruction need to look like, what is the data that we're going to use to evaluate the health of our instruction, what are we going to do if our students are responding to our instruction, how are we going to enhance their learning, what are we going to do for our students who need a little bit more, what does that look like. So really it's just about putting the structures in place to really elevate our game and improve outcomes for students. Reading is the #1 priority this year at elementary school. It is essential and the foundation of all other instruction that takes place. So we are really singularly focused on our literacy practices and reading instruction so that we can improve outcomes for students.